Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to change currency on eToro. So if you want to change currency on eToro, here's a quick guide or a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open the settings. So for you to be able to open the settings, you have to locate if you are using the version or the mobile version or you are using the web version. So if you are on the web version, click on the gear button in the left hand side, then tap on the menu, click on general. After that, then if it is on mobile, just tap on the menu icon at the top of the screen, then tap settings and general. So under that, then select the currency section and click on the current display currency. After that, choose your preferred currency from the list on the and also confirm the changes. So if you're on the web version, for you to be able to confirm the changes, you can also change the currency by clicking on your portfolio value at the bottom right of the watch list or portfolio screen. Now please note that while you change the display currency, the eToro platform operates only on USD. So this means that changing the display currency will not affect the currency or any of other figures on the platform, and that's it.